going to move around on the agenda. For those of you who have an agenda, we're going to start out with the House 570. It's going to be responsible firefighting phone management, and that'll be Representative Davis.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and also thank you, Chairman Green, for hearing this bill. Simply put, there's good firefighting foam and there's bad firefighting foam. The bad firefighting foam has PFAS in it. PFAS has been linked to cancer. Cancer is the #1 killer of our firefighters. So what this bill does is it keeps the bad fire foam being used like for petroleum fires and your more serious fires because it's a much more fire suppressant than the good fire foam. So obviously you want to continue to use that for those type of fires, but what this bill does, it prevents the bad fire foam being used by firefighters for training, practice, or testing. In other words, try to limit their exposure to the bad firefighting foam. I ran this bill last year. It's identical to what I filed this year, except for the paragraph that explains that while the bad fire foam may continue to be used because it's more effective fire suppressant in combating petroleum type fires, firefighters will have reduced exposure to PFAS contamination if less toxic alternatives are used for training, practice, and testing. The bill last session passed all the committees unanimously, passed the floor unanimously, went over to the Senate. Of course, they didn't hear it. So I filed it again because I think it's so important to protect our firefighters, and I ask for your support.
Do we have any questions from the committee? No questions? Have anybody from the public that wants to speak? Okay, seeing none, do I have a motion? Oh, I'm sorry, he has one more comment.
I'm sorry. I have gone over this with the Fire Marshal, State Fire Marshal Brian Taylor. It's Brent Heath here from the office. Thank you for being here. He is here to show the support for the Fire Marshal that supports this bill. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Now we're back to business. Can I entertain a motion?
I'll make a motion. Let me just say, I appreciate you bringing this bill back forward. Again, Representative Davis, I think it is important. We've passed legislation to address cancer issues for firefighters. I know this is a concern and an issue, and hopefully maybe it'll get across the line on the other side of the house, other side of the chamber this time. So with that, I'd like to move. Is this a PCS? No, this is original bill. All right, I'd like to make a motion favorable to House Bill 570 with a referral to agriculture and environment.
Motion is properly before you. All those in favor say aye. Opposed? Motion passed.